Okay, in this lecture we will discuss about a plus operator that polymorphic that yeah, you can see that the plus operator is also polymorphism because it is overloaded and do a different type of the operation on the numbers like the strings and like a lists like if we have two numbers and we can also print this to get a one number. If we have a two list, then we have also perform plus operator to join this, and we can also use a two strings that summate by using a plus operators. Okay, let's do a practical example of a plus operator on Python. Okay, the type of the polymorphism is a plus operator. As I told in last lecture, that it is also polymorphic because it is overloaded and do a different operations. That first we consider a numbers and print of a plus b. That in here this also work, and for a string, let's consider a string like hey, any other string which is like sv. Okay, now print of s plus x. In here you can see that it automatically added the two strings. And next consider the two strings, oh sorry, list 1 2 3, and g is equal to like sorry 4 5 6, and print of f plus g. In here you can see that the system working, the plus operator is working also on the numbers, plus operator also working on the strings, that plus operator is also working on the lists, that it is also polymorphic. Let's run this program and you can see that it produce a result in also in a like numbers form, like in a strings and in a list.